Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis for what gold will be giving us for the day. But guys, before we go ahead to do the prediction of what market will be doing for us for the day, I want you to actually subscribe to the YouTube membership program for special updates we are going to be doing with you guys there. Because there we are also going to be going live. You'll be able to go live with us. You'll be able to get an exclusive update and so more. You can also subscribe to the channel if you are new and you've not yet subscribed. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So first thing first, we need to go to our daily time frame to know what the trend is. And as you can see on our daily time frame, it is very clear that gold is in an uptrend move. This is our overall trend. Our overall trend on gold is in an uptrend move, right? Now, this is where the rules of trading comes in. You need to trade according to what market is doing and not against the trend. You know there are rules of trading. Trade with the trend and not against the trend. Now, if you take a look at what market is doing right here, you will see that market is literally trending to the upside. You see that our overall trend on gold is to the upside. But when you now zoom it in, also let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. And let's zoom it out, right? You can see there was a time that gold literally was able to give us a new low, was able to give us a lower low. Then it did give us a lower high, which is a pullback, right? Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. Then it was able to pull back, right, to form a lower high. The market eventually drop again to form a new lower low before it eventually push up to take out this previous lower high right here. Market push up to take out this previous lower high, right? The market eventually give us a pullback, and then it has now pushed up again, right, forming a new higher high. Market has now come back to this our previous higher low level right here, from now seen as our support level, right? Market then did give us a double bottom which push up. Now market has now come back again to retest the same level. So we should be expecting what? Gold to actually reject and bounce up. So we should be expecting a rejection from this zone that will make market to actually bounce up. So this is one of the reasons why a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on our gold. Now, could there be changes to this prediction? Remember, your bias should always be flexible. If in case there's going to be any changes to this prediction I just did, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.